Dealing with a diesel engine is a whole different beast compared to a standard gasoline car, and when you see a P020D code, you are looking at a very specific timing issue with the fuel injector in cylinder number 4. This code is almost exclusively found in modern, clean, burning direct injection diesel engines from brands like Volkswagen, Ram, and GMC, where the fuel pressures are high enough to be genuinely dangerous if you do not know what you are doing. We are talking about pressures reaching as high as 35,000 pounds per square inch, which is enough to pierce through skin, so safety is the absolute priority here. The powertrain control module is constantly monitoring the exact millisecond that fuel is sprayed into the combustion chamber. And if cylinder 4 is even slightly off the beat of the drum, it triggers this code. This usually manifests as a rough idle, a very distinct stumble when you try to accelerate, or even a puff of black smoke and the smell of raw diesel hanging in the air. The cause could be as simple as a faulty injector solenoid, or as serious as a physical timing issue with the camshaft or crankshaft. I always suggest starting with a high-end scanner to look at the freeze frame data. This tells you exactly what the engine was doing the moment the fault occurred. If you see other codes for the crankshaft or camshaft position sensors, fix those first, because the injector timing relies entirely on the accuracy of those sensors. If those are fine, you will need to use a digital volt ohm meter to test the resistance of the injector itself to see if the internal electronic components have given up. Because these systems are so precise, even a tiny bit of air in the lines or a small leak can throw the timing off. If the injector tests out fine, you are looking at checking the wiring harness for any breaks or shorts back to the controller. This is one of those codes where you really want to consult the technical service bulletins, and maybe leave the heavy lifting to a professional if you are not comfortable working around high-pressure common rail systems, as getting it wrong can lead to a very expensive engine failure.